Market update midday. We got that gap down that I was talking about in the morning. It made me sell my puts when I saw that we broke the low. So this is how descriptive you have to be. I sold my puts down here because I saw that and I was thinking, okay, that could be a valid fifth wave. Sure enough, we go straight back up and break the high of the day and go to 387.17. Currently, I have that as finishing the third wave. I have this as an A wave. I have this as a B wave. And I think there's a very good chance that we fill this gap up here. I think there's a chance that we fill this gap up here. I've gone back and forth. Like I currently just had puts. And on this move right here, I had puts. However, so like I consider this as a first wave and this is a second wave, and I was bought puts right here. However, I'm not really liking this move right here, so I sold my puts for a very small gain, and then I reevaluated it, and it looks like there's a very good chance that we're actually in A, B, and then C is going to be up here for a fourth wave. If we zoom out here, this would make it, if it fills this gap, it would almost get to the 50% retracement. Still a valid fourth wave, definitely possible, and I think that's what the most likely scenario is right now. I got rid of my puts because my original goal was if it broke 387.17, I'd be out, but my goal was to hit 381.89. Just don't like this move right here, though. If you go down to the 1 minute time frame, this right here, it doesn't really look that impulsive to me, and we're actually already starting back up here. I don't think that can really be a fourth wave. And so, yeah, I'm just leaning towards this being A, B, and then if you take a parallel line here, you'll see that it takes us to that target maybe later today, and that'd be a perfect gap fill and a good way to end the day to get rid of all the puts. So that's kind of what I'm leaning towards right now. I'm not like super confident in that call, but I'm also not super confident to hold my puts right now. Even though I do have a hard stop right here above 387.17, I went ahead and sold them for a small gain. And that's where we lie today. So I'm expecting a move up here and then a move down. So I still don't think the move down is finished, but I think there's a very good chance we fill this gap and then we move down for the overall fifth wave. Overall fifth wave target would be, let's see. The overall fifth wave target might just be pretty much right below the lows at 380, 378, something like that. So I don't think, based on that, we could go lower than that, but based on the fibs, that's what I have as my target, 378, 380. Especially if we come up here and fill this gap right here, then I would say we're probably just going to go below these lows. You could still buy puts up here. It'd be a pretty good risk-reward trade, in my opinion. You could put a stop above 391.75 because I would overlap the first wave, I guess 392. And you'd have a pretty good risk-reward. If we hit all the way down here at 380, you're risking $2 to make like 8 or 9. So that's a pretty good risk-reward. But anyway, that's just a quick update, what I'm looking for. Looks like ABC to me for a fourth wave. We finished the fifth wave this morning on that gap down the first couple minutes of the market, and then we've been grinding up ever since. So look for a gap fill for a fourth wave and then a move down. Probably going into FOMC, we'll probably just slide down here and then we'll break this low eventually sometime in the next couple of days, in my opinion.